In this lecture, we're going to show the boundary cut tool. Boundary cut tool is the same tool as boundary bus, but except adding material, we're going to cut material between profiles in two directions. So here we have this feature, solid feature, and we have two sketches. So let's go to the features and let's choose here boundary cut. So now as you see here, we have direction 1 and direction 2. For direction 1, we're going to choose this profile and this profile here, like this. And we can click OK. And now we got this result. If we go back, edit feature, here we have connectors. We can drag these connectors to some other position, like this. And now we're going to have a twisted cut. Now let's click OK. And now we got this result. Now let's go here and let's delete boundary cut. And now let's go to the top plane. Let's create a new guide curve. Let's go with a spline. Let's start here and let's go to here, like this. Now let's make this point and this circle pierce relation, and between this line and this point pierce relation, like this. Let's exit sketch. Now let's go to features and let's choose boundary cut. For direction 1, we're going to choose this rectangle and this circle. For direction 2, we're going to choose this guide curve here, like this. And now we got this result. Here we can also change the influence of the guide curve, and now we have global. We can go to next edge, like this. And now we're going to got this result. Let's click OK. And now we got this result. We can also go back, edit feature. And here we can also go with normal to profile and direction vector. So we can go normal to profile here like this. And for the profile 1 and profile 2, we can also choose normal to profile or direction vector. So it's the same thing as with the boundary bus base, but except here we cut material. If you're tired of watching on YouTube videos and buying cheap courses who always leave you wishing and wanting for more, and you want to have personal support to learn the Solidworks from the absolute zero to the professional level to improve and start your career, check the link below and visit our Super Solidworks Accelerator Academy. As well, if you like this video, click like and subscribe.